Yard work is an ongoing part of home ownership, and keeping the outside from coming inside between gaps is an ongoing challenge. For gaps like this, I love to use Great Stuff Multipurpose Black. It's black in color, it fills gaps and penetrations up to 1 inch. We just have a few things, and then we can go ahead and get started. Before you start any Great Stuff project, be sure to have on your glasses, your gloves, and your long sleeve shirt. Apply the dispenser, shake for 60 seconds, remove the debris from the area, and you're ready to go. Simply apply a bead of Great Stuff sealant, keeping in mind that 1 inch of foam will expand to 2 inches. And it's as easy as that. Multipurpose Black fills gaps up to 1 inch, is black in color, and blends into the surrounding environment. Remember, you can always cut, sand, and paint Great Stuff to ensure proper aesthetics and ongoing UV resistance. Great Stuff Multipurpose Black is a perfect product for lots of your outdoor and indoor projects. To see the whole product lineup and learn just how versatile the Great Stuff family is, visit us at greatstuff.com and follow us on Facebook. You can also find us on designingspaces.tv.